Okay, alrighty, so let's talk about expressing concurrent events, right? Concurrent events, or simply events that are happening at the same time as other events. Now, we can express concurrent events using three words-ish kind of things, and you'll see what I mean. So we have samtang, mientras, and atol. Right. The first two are really easy, so I'm just going to briefly go over those two really quick, and then I'm going to explain the last one in depth. So, samtang and mientras are literally the same thing, right? They just mean while or during the time as, or in the meanwhile. Um, when we conjugate samtang and when we affixate samtang to kasamtangan, right? Kasamtangan, right? And kasamtangan changes its meaning to mientras tanto, and they both mean the same thing, which means for the time being or while something is happening, as in that particular moment of time. Atoll is a verb, and it means to do something while something else happens at the same time. So it's just something that's going on coincidentally as something else is going on at the same time. Okay? So to do something at the same time while something else happens. Okay? And that's what makes atoll different from the first two, because atoll is a verb. So we can conjugate it, we can affixate it, we can do things to it. And I'll go to this example sentences so you can see what I mean with atoll. But the first two are really easy. Really, really easy, okay? Kuyawa, kakusog ang kalayo, hinaya samtang nagbukal ang tubig, right? So, huy, kuyawa, wow, it's incredible. Kakusog sa kalayo, hinaya samtang nagbukal na ang tubig. With this word samtang, we can replace it with mientras. Hinaya mientras nagbukal na ang tubig, okay? So the fire's big. I want you to lower it down while the water is boiling. Next sentence, okay? Lipay lang kadiha, sorry. Lipay lang kadiha mientras tanto nga wala pa sila. So, just be happy there while, in the meantime, while they're not here. So, lipay lang kadiha mientras tanto nga wala pa sila. So, all right. While the cat's away, the mice will play, is what it's saying. So, just be happy there. Do your thing. In the meantime, while they're still not here, right? Nga wala pa sila. All right. So that kind of covers our first two. The last one, atoll. Okay. So pay attention with me on this one, because this one is a verb that we can just change things to. Atolo na lang ang atong piyesta sa bispera sa bagong tuig. Okay, so it just means that we'll have our party coincide with New Year's Eve. Okay, atolo na lang ang atong piyesta sa bispera sa bagong tuig. So the our party will just coincide with New Year's Eve. That's what Atoll means. So again, it's an event. You're doing something while something else is happening. So you're just gonna have them concurrently together. Okay? And lastly, we have namatay si Lola sa ospital. Atol sa wala pa humanang misa. Oh, that's really sad. So the grandmother died in the hospital while, okay, so this was going on. The death of the grandmother in the hospital was happening at the same time, atol sa wala pa humanang misa, at the same time that mass at church wasn't finished. Okay? So something was going on while something else was happening at the same time. Okay? And that's what atol means. And since it's a verb, remember atol, we can affixate it. So atolon, i-atol, hiatlan. So things just kind of affixate. Alrighty, you learn these and use it well.